Hello students, I am moving on to my second question related with debate writing. So this question is related with electronic media, whether electronic media will end the era of print media or not. So it is also a very debatable topic. So the question is like this: some people feel that electronic media, by electronic media we actually associate electronic media with TV news. So, whether it will bring about the end of print media, that is, newspapers, what are your views on the issue? Write a debate in 120 to 150 words, either for or against this view. Use of visuals on TV. Okay, now the important thing is that whether electronic media will end print media totally or not. So it is a very debatable topic. So it is up to you whether you will speak for the motion or whether you will speak against the motion. Sometimes, dear students, points will be given to you. Here also, in this particular question, if you see very closely, you will find that some points are given, like authentic and fast, not enough news for 24-hour telecast, many fabricate news. Fabricate means they exaggerate. They actually give less facts and they include more fiction. Become repetitive and dull. These are some of the points that will help you. Sometimes in exam, in question you might find some points also. Even scandals become news. Print media time tested. Analyzed, verified news. Editorial comments, and finally cater to all interest. So these are some of the points. Now based on these points you have to write for the motion or against the motion. So how will you start writing it? So the answer goes like this. I am trying to explain it to you all. Please listen very carefully. Some people believe that electronic media, by this time you know because I already clarified it in the question part when I discussed, electronic media is related with TV news, will bring about the end of print media, that is newspaper. Now there is more or less, I already told you it's a very debatable topic, and some people they are of the opinion, they believe that electronic media will totally end the reign of print media, that is newspaper. Then you can write your name, or better you write XYZ or ABC, as you found in the previous debate topic. There was written XYZ, so you can write XYZ here also, or if you wish you can write your initial name or ABC. It's better you write XYZ or ABC instead of writing your name. So I here ABC or XYZ disagree with this view. That means you are not agreeing with this view. You are totally disagreeing with this view. That means you are speaking against the motion. The print media is tried and tested over centuries, and still is its popularity has not diminished. The print media means the newspaper. It is in existence from time immemorial, that means for a long time, and during the difficult times also print media played a very important or a very decisive role in making the society aware of what is going on all over the world. And still, despite changes in the society, the popularity of print media is still very much immense. In fact, it has managed to hold its ground despite the fact that TV news channels telecast news 24 into 7. Okay, now despite the news channels, they are proactive every now and then, and they telecast news for almost 24 into 7, as we know. But despite having said that, print media is still very, very prominent in our society, in our country. News in the print media are analyzed and verified and are not repetitive like TV news. Now, because if you see any news channel, you will find that the same news is getting repeated hour after hour. Breaking news, again the same breaking news is given. Maybe they are making some changes, but they are actually presenting the same thing to the audiences. But in case of print media, the news that are circulated, before it is circulated, the news are analyzed. Number one, the news are verified also. And one more important thing, that is a positive aspect of print media in comparison with electronic media, is that in case of print media, it is not repetitive like the electronic media. And another important thing is that, moreover, print media, that is newspapers, cater means actually it is related with providing satisfaction. Cater to the varied actually means various. Dear students, these meanings are very very important. Cater means it is actually satisfying the various or the varied interest of different people who eagerly await for morning newspaper. Now actually newspaper is for everyone, and it actually satisfies the likes and dislikes, the interest and everything of different people, and most importantly belonging to different personalities. So everyone await for the morning newspaper. Now I am moving on to the next part, or rather the next paragraph. The 24-hour news channels have revolutionized the world, which now appears closer and smaller. The 24-hour news channel, there is some positive aspect also. It has revolutionized the way we look at the world. From our perspective, it has progressed a lot. It has revolutionized. And now the entire world looks closer and smaller to us. Though news conveyed by news channels or TV news channels is quicker and faster. Yes, because whenever we tune on the TV, and the moment we open up a news channel in the TV, it seems that the news that is being delivered is lot more quicker, it is more faster. Many times tend to omit facts and details about an incident, and sometimes even sensationalize news without a reason. Now, in case of news channels, what actually happens is that a very important news is edited, and we don't get the actual fact or the actual information related with a very important information, whereas another information which is not so important is made, they actually exaggerate that particular information, or rather to say, they sensationalize news without a reason sometimes. And when it comes to presenting important information, it seems that they chop and edit something. Here the newspaper comes in handy, as it gives not only vital details but also contains more reliable news. But in case of newspaper, equal distribution of all the news can be seen. So from that perspective, we can say that not only a newspaper gives vital details, but it also contains some reliable news also. Now, unlike the TV, where the news channels, they go on cutting and editing important news. Sometimes they don't show an important news more than once. And another important thing is that they sensationalize, or they go on exaggerating many other unimportant news. But this thing is not seen in newspapers. Now there is another change in the paragraph. Besides, the newspaper is easy to carry and can be read at any time. Yes, you can easily carry, easy to handle, easy to carry from one place to another, and you can read it anytime, anywhere. Further, the permanence of the printed world helps in refreshing one's memory about certain facts and incidents reported in the past. Moreover, it is like a history that some of the old memories also gets refreshed by reading newspapers. Some old memories or some old incidents related to any particular incident that revives back in our mind, and that happens when we read newspapers more. So it actually enhances one's memory of thinking about the past. So let me continue. Newspapers also contain many columns dedicated to advertisement like vacant situations, buying or selling of goods, information about missing persons, obituary news, etc. Apart from that, there is another benefit of newspapers. That is the another benefit of print media. And what is that? Job vacancy news are displayed, then buying or selling of goods, information about missing persons, obituary information, all these things we get in the newspapers. All this and much more information is contained only in the newspaper. All this and sometimes even much more informations also are also contained in the newspaper. Thus I would like to conclude by saying that newspapers have been and will remain the mouthpiece of the nation. Very, very important line, because you have to, your viewpoints must be stronger while you are writing a debate or while you are speaking on any topic, whether for the motion or against the motion. Your viewpoints must be very stronger, and this is a very strong point that been mentioned here. I'm explaining this one, I'm just going through this point once again. And thus I would like to conclude by saying that newspapers have been and will remain the mouthpiece of the nation. Mouthpiece of the nation, or you can say the voice of the nation, and the unseen advertisers of the common people. Not only that, the newspapers will be the unseen advertisers of the common people. As long as humanity exists, newspapers will exist. So that was it, dear students. That was the explanation related with question number 2 of debate writing, the forever debate between which one is the better, print media or electronic media. So I tried to explain it from the point of view of print media. So it is a debate. You can speak for the motion or you can speak against the motion. Finally, after ending it, you have to write thank you. That you can see I have left a line, then I have written. So dear students, please go through this particular topic, and if there is any problem, any sort of doubt, please let me know. Thank you, students. Thank you all.